You wouldn't believe that there are a few hacks when you're selling your home to ensure that you get maximum exposure. I have worked with dozens of sellers and I've cracked the code to get to top dollar. Hi, I'm Ms. Mayini, Realtor with eXp Realty. This is the first video of a 3-video series that will help you sell your home. In this video, we'll talk about the outside of your home, curb appeal. Now, I am sure you've heard of this before, but you really have to understand the importance of it. Many times, buyers won't even walk through a home that doesn't look clean up from the outside. There are a few simple tricks that can save you money and maximize your return on investment at the same time. Here's an example. By utilizing black bark and adding a few flowers or plants that pop can take an old, ugly yard and turn it from frumpy to fabulous. Maybe you're wondering if the entire outside needs a new paint job, but have you considered just painting the front door and trimming? Many times, that alone can spruce up the outer appearance and look as though the entire home has a new paint job. Right before pictures, be sure to water down the concrete or pavement as you will enhance the photos and make the home pop even more. Also, be sure to trim up the trees, landscape, and roses. And if you got so many trees that it hides the home, well, you're losing buyers. Maybe you should consider remove a tree or two depending on cost. Lastly, be sure that all of your exterior lights are working and that the home is well lit up at night. You have no idea how many buyers perform drive-bys in the evenings after work. I've got so many more tips to ensure that once I get a buyer to see your home, they are more likely to write an offer on it. So be sure to call me and I'll make it happen. As usual, make it a great selling and buying day. See you next time.